Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix the game login failed in the first disconnect game error. I will show you the few effective solutions to fix this problem and why this error happens. So guys, the first reason is the server outages or the maintenance. If this is not the problem, then it might happen because of your connection problems. And if this is also the not problem, then you have to just restart your PC. After the restart, you have to restart the game and see your problem is fixed or not. And guys, this is the very basic solution to fix this problem. And if this does not fix your issue, then you can go to the Windows set, type it the CMD and click on the run as administrator. Now guys, from here type the command which is the ipconfig space forward slash and then flush DNS. So guys, once you type it, just hit the enter, and now you have to type the command which is the netsh and space and then winsock and then space and then reset. So guys, once you type it, just hit the enter. Now you have to just restart your PC. After the restart, see your problem is fixed or not. And guys, if your problem is not fixed and you are still getting the error, then go to the Windows set, type it the ncpa.cpl, open it. Here you will see your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet. Right click on your connection, go to its properties. Here in the Wi-Fi properties, you have to scroll down and you will see the Internet Protocol version 6. So guys, you just need to make sure this is unchecked. This is very important. Then highlight the Internet Protocol version 4. Go to the properties, click on the use the following DNS server, and in the preferred DNS type the 8888 and in the alternate type the 8844. So guys, this is the best Google DNS server. Then just simply click on the OK, then just restart the PC. I will recommend. After the restart, if your problem is still not fixed and you are still getting the error. So guys, this is very effective solution to fix this problem. And if your problem is still not fixed, then click on the first disconnect game. I will show you the another game example because my game is downloading. Click on the install files, click on the browse option. Here you will see the first disconnect game launcher. So you have to right click on the launcher, simply go to its properties, click on the compatibility. Here check this box of the run as administrator. This is very important. Then just apply this, click on the OK, then just restart the Steam and restart the game. First close it completely, then just restart. After the restart, your problem is definitely fixed. So I hope guys one of the solution work for you and your problem is fixed. If yes, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.